In this video, you will learn how to unban your township account, identify the ban reason, note the exact message, such as it was suspicious behaviour, third-party apps or something else. This will help you to explain your case to support, gather proof of ownership, collect your town name, level, invite codes and any purchase receipts from Google Play or the App Store, submit an in-game ticket. On Township, go to Settings and Help and Support, then contact us. Report your ban and include all your details that you have collected. If you're locked out, skip Step 4. Use a web form. Fill out the web form for your account details, such as your code, invitation, account name, level, and a clear explanation of what happened. And, if you have any proof, please attach it. Email. You can email support directly. If the form is not available for you, you're locked out, or the support team directly. Include your township name, level, and any explanation. Be patient and responsive. Support may take some time to respond. Provide additional information if they ask for it. Wait and review. It may take a few days or even weeks. If the ban was a mistake, they may lift it after their review. Some players report it can take up to 1 month. Now you know. Now you know how to unban your account on Township. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.